what the faces of those first batch of Muslims will look like when they enter Jannah. Because they will not enter paradise all at once. There are batches, there are groups. Depending on how quick and enthusiastic you were to doing hasanat and apologizing to Allah from your sins today will determine what batch you shall be from. We would like to be from the first batch. What will they look like as they enter the soils of Jannah? The Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam describes, and he said, أَوَّلُ زُمْرَةٍ يَدْخُلُونَ الْجَنَّةِ تُضِيءُ وُجُوهُهُمْ إِضَاءَةَ الْقَمَرِ لَيْلَةَ الْبَدْرِ. The very first batch of Muslims to enter paradise, their faces will glow like the glowing of the moon on the night when it is full. And the second batch, ثُمَّ الَّذِينَ يَلُونَهُمْ عَلَى أَشَدِّ كَوْكَبٍ دُرِّيٍّ فِي السَّمَاءِ. And then the second batch after them, their faces will glow like the brightest planet that you have seen in the sky. They enter Jannah, and angels are standing in their reception. Malaika whom you will see, angels whom you will hear, and they will speak to you. They are just as excited for you as you are for yourself. And what do they say? Come in, come in. They will say, Salamun alaykum. Peace be upon you. Salamun alaykum. Tibtum. You've done so well. Fadkhuluha khalidin. So enter Jannah. You will stay here forever. And the moment they enter Jannah, they find that inside of them is the knowledge of the whereabouts of everything. They don't need to ask for directions. They don't need to set up a navigator, a Google Maps. It's all been imprinted in their hearts.